In the fields where it all begins, ripe watermelons are gently harvested by hand.
These are heavy. Yeah, let's get this one to the trailer.
Crate by crate, the harvest is prepared for its journey to the plant.
Easy now, guide it forward. Align with the edge, steady. Load secure.
The harvest is now secured and ready to leave the fields.
Safe travels! See you at the plant!
From fertile fields, the watermelons begin their path into modern juice production. The harvested watermelons travel smoothly toward the processing plant. Arrival at the facility marks the next stage of the journey. Factory staff take over as the load enters the premises.
Hold it steady, bringing it in. Looks good. Clear to proceed.
Unloading begins in the controlled environment of the plant. Forklifts transfer the harvest efficiently into the facility. The watermelons cross the threshold into the heart of processing.
Okay, slide it on steady now. Good, it's rolling. Next crate.
The modern facility welcomes the fresh harvest at its entry points. Entry protocols ensure a smooth transition into processing. The watermelons are now officially inside the processing environment. Initial entry checks prepare the fruit for deeper cleaning. Digital logging integrates the harvest into the plant's system. The flow now directs the fruit toward its first major cleaning stage. The flow now directs the fruit toward its first major cleaning stage. From entry to cleaning, the transformation process accelerates. Mechanical brushes remove remaining field residue. Automated systems sort by size, weight, and quality. Clean and sorted, the watermelons are now ready for core processing. The halves move steadily towards seed removal. Automated drums efficiently extract the seeds. With seeds removed, the flesh prepares for crushing. Crushing rollers break the pulp for efficient juice release. The pulp now enters the primary juice extraction phase. Powerful presses extract the pure watermelon juice. The raw juice enters settling tanks for natural clarification. Clarified juice is separated from the remaining solids. Pasteurization ensures safety and shelf stability. Blending standardizes the juice to exact specifications.
Brix is 12.5, perfect.
Confirmed.
Flow is steady, ready for concentration.
The juice. The juice is now ready for high-speed finishing and packaging. Automated systems now take control of high-speed filling. Automated cappers seal each bottle with perfect torque. Rotary fillers deliver precise volumes into each container. High-speed applicators add professional labeling. Shrink wrapping protects and presents the product neatly. Robotic case packers prepare the product for palletizing. Automated palletizers build stable, efficient loads. Stretch wrapping secures each pallet for safe handling. Finishing touches ensure every pallet meets standards.
Looks good. Attaching the batch label now. Confirmed. Ready for transfer.
Precision lines deliver the product toward final storage. Forklifts integrate the finished goods into storage. Organized racking ensures efficient storage and retrieval. Storage systems maintain the flow from finishing to dispatch readiness. Quality control begins with careful sampling from each batch. Laboratory technicians perform detailed chemical and microbial tests.
Precise measurements verify sugar content and acidity.
Sensory panels confirm taste and overall quality.
Successful quality clearance releases the batch for dispatch.
Cleared product now moves to final packaging dispatch. Dispatch staging prepares the finished product for loading. Forklifts load the pallets efficiently into refrigerated transport. Seals and documentation finalize the dispatch process. Finished juice begins its journey to customers and markets. The cycle of production continues around the clock. And this is how modern factories produce watermelon juice from start to finish.